Hey guys, welcome to Colab. I'm Jacob. We just took delivery of Ryan Litteral's S15 drift car. Check out what we're gonna be doing to this thing. Earlier this year, we met with Ryan Litteral in Las Vegas during the SEMA show, and he asked us if we were capable of building a badass race car. And of course, we said, hell yeah. This video is us just tearing the car apart, getting it ready for modifications. We have big plans for the car to make it more serviceable in the pits. We're gonna bring you along the ride all season, so stay tuned for the shenanigans. Now let's cut this thing to shreds.
Hello there. Hello.
Yeah, stick around. We're going to do a bunch of modifications to this thing for the season, make it more serviceable, more race car, so that we can actually make this thing a more serviceable race car in the pits for the 2023 FD season. Check it. Race car! I don't want to be in your commercial.